Hey everybody, it's Elizabeth from The Gilded Gown. I'm going to show you today how to make the most adorable cake stands or jewelry displays or pedestals using items from the Dollar Tree and thrift stores and Walmart, like super cheap. So all you're going to need is your trusty glue gun, the best glue ever, E6000, which is really good for glass. So you're going to need some tops. And I got some different options. This is a charger that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a burner cover that I got at the Dollar Tree in a set of 2 that I just painted with acrylic. This I found at a thrift store for like $2. These are super easy if you go to your local Goodwill or Salvation Army. Always look for glass plates because they make great cake plates. And then this white ceramic one is also from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you how to make all these different stands that kind of have different styles. Glam, farmhouse, rustic, or just plain. And for bottoms, you can use different things. These candle holders are from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to make bases by doing things like that to make taller bases. You can use a single one. You can use 3 if you want to graduate your height. This is a candle stand that I found at a thrift store that's like super heavy and nice. It was like $2. So my plan is to put these 2 together. And look at that. I mean, if you went to Home Goods and tried to buy that, it would be like 20 bucks. And then these are some items also from the Dollar Tree that I thought might make good bottoms, as well as this. And then I got some decorations to make them glamorous. These are little beaded necklaces from the Dollar Tree. This is called Diamond Wrap, and it's from the Dollar Tree. If you ever see this in there, get it. It's like gold. You can also get bling on a roll. Love that. This is from Walmart. So it costs a little more, but you can always get it at Walmart if you can't find it at the DT. And then I've got this really cute burlap edging at Walmart for kind of a rustic look. Then you can get these little beaded sticker things at craft stores. Sometimes the Dollar Tree has them, Walmart. Okay, so, and then another thing you can also do in the same vein is make hurricane thingies. Using the same concept, which you can fill with pearls or moss or, these make wonderful displays. You can change them out seasonally. Okay. So first up, we'll start with something real simple and easy, which is glass plate, candlestick, trusty E6000 glue, and I like to use a mix of the E6000, which takes like 24 hours to cure, and the glue gun for instant gratification. So in other words, the glue gun will make it stick temporarily, and the E6000 is going to make it last forever once it cures, which takes about 24 hours. So I don't mix the 2 together. I put glue gun, E6000, glue gun, E. You get the idea. And you ready for this? I mean, come on. How hard is this? Cake stand, and it is gorgeous. It's heavy. It's beautiful. This will look gorgeous in your store with a jewelry bust, like a necklace bust on it, or you could put your sashes on it. This, of course, works as a cake pedestal for cakes or cupcakes or cookies. It will look great at a party or event or wedding on a dessert buffet. And at this price, you can see where you could make a gazillion of them, all levels, and okay, one down. So we have our kind of plain clear glass one. Now let's do something fun. Let's do something kind of glamorous. So we're going to take 2 Dollar Tree things. We're going to do our trick with the hot glue on some parts and the E6000 on some parts. There's the glue. And here's the E6000. I always want to call it E600. I don't know what is in this stuff, but it's pretty miraculous. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is place the other candle holder on top of the other one and hold them together a little bit. Look at that. Now we have a stand, a tall stand. And I'm going to take the burner cover that I painted with acrylic paint. You could also paint it with spray paint. This isn't really going to be food safe unless you coat it with varnish or Mod Podge or glue or something like that. Glue is just like Mod Podge. If you paint Elmer's glue and let it dry, it'll make a nice little varnish. But this is just plain old paint, but I'm not going to be using it for food. Okay, now we're going to go with our glue on part, hot glue, and our E6000 on another part. And if you wanted to just use the E6000, you can do that too. It just takes a minute to dry. And if you want to get technical, you can measure your diameter here and use your high school math and figure out exactly. So now we have a double-decker cake pedestal with a painted burner cover top. So we have $3 in this so far. And now we're going to get some of the diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree and glue it around the edge. And you can do this with hot glue. And then you can take some little stickers and put them on top. And it will end up like how cute. So I can see that on a dessert buffet or on your front counter. You could put like some earrings on there. And it's like fun and glamorous, and you can also stack them and make a taller one. Pretty cool, huh? Love it. And of course you can use any color paint and any color other stuff. So we're going to put our done ones down on this end. And these stickers are self-adhesive and they're super strong. You don't need to glue. So now I'm going to try a little rustic farmhouse vibe with this jar that came from the Dollar Tree, and it came with the jute on it. And this little thing came from Walmart in the craft aisle. So I'm just going to glue. Scientifically find the middle of that. Look how fun. It's kind of beachy too. And I got these little letters for a gilded gown. I thought those would be cute glued on there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make those super easy hurricane things. E6000, dollar store base, dollar store base. And that needs to sit about 24 hours to bond. And we're going to make a smaller one. So I like to play around with fillers in my hurricane bases. Sometimes I'll put just beads and then I'll stick a little earring stand on top. I'm trying to go glam. It also looks really cute. I wanted to show you how you can amp up the glam factor with your $2 hurricane. So what I've got is this sheet of stickers that I got at Walmart. They're crystal stickers. And you can just take these puppies and stick them on. So this is everything that we just made. Doesn't that look like $1 million bucks? So I'll be taking all of this to the gilded gown to use for displays. But you can see where you could easily do it on a buffet for a party. Just looks really good. Glamorous, rustic, glamorous, traditional. Yeah. I'd say that's a win.